Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I decided to do a voiceover for this video. So today's makeup video is basically recreating a makeup look by Rihanna. I saw her in this makeup look in one of her Instagram lives, so I decided to recreate it. It's very simple. It's just basically simple light makeup with a bold red lip. So I already started. I already have my brows done, my primer on, and I'm gonna link everything in the description box. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Clinique foundation. This is the Stay Matte foundation in the shade Sienna 29. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that to my face as normal, and then I'm gonna go in with my beauty sponge and blend it out. Once I'm done blending in my foundation, I am going to use the e.l.f. concealers in the shade Cinnamon and Deep Ebony, and I'm going to highlight and contour with those two. If you guys haven't seen my last video, I'll show you guys how to highlight and contour, and those are the concealers that I used. Yeah. Once I'm done blending in my concealer and contour, I'm going to go ahead and apply my RCMA powder. This is also in my contour video, also with the Black Radiance True Complex Contour Palette, and set my contour. Once I'm done setting my contour, I'm going to go ahead and start with my eyeshadows. To create this eyeshadow look, I'm going to use the Zulu palette by Juvias, and I'm going to pick that third shade on the top. And then I'm going to go in with this eyeshadow from Colourpop, and it's Sundance. And I'm going to apply that on my lid. And then I'm going to set my foundation, and I wanted a nice light finish, so I decided to use the e.l.f. Halo Glow powder, setting powder in the shade Dark, and that's going to give me a nice fresh set on my foundation, and it won't be too heavy, so everything's going to look natural in the end. Now that my foundation is set, I'm going to use my setting spray from Morphe, and I'm going to set my entire face. So now I'm going to apply my Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline, and this is in the shade Molten Topaz. And I'm going to apply where I normally apply my highlighter. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my mascara and just basically finish up this makeup look. Okay guys, so now to finish up this look, and this is the most important part to get that authentic recreation of this Rihanna look. I am going to use this red shade by Ellarie and Colourpop. This is one of their Alter Satin lipstick. Okay guys, so this is it. This is my final product. This is my recreation of that Rihanna Insta story look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys would like me to make a video of next. Sorry for this bad voiceover, but yeah, I hope it turns out good. Thank you. Bye.